Hi friends, we're in Module 4, Lesson 19. I can relate manipulative representation to a written method. Basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding two and more numbers, and we are going to be showing them with new groups below, and we're also going to be showing them on our place value chart. So you're going to need a dry erase marker, your sock, your place value chart if you have it in your personal dry erase board, and your headphones, of course. All right, let's go. First thing I want you to do, don't worry about writing it the horizontal way. We're just going to write it the vertical way today. I just want you to write down 54 plus 68. Now, if you remember from yesterday, what we're going to be doing is sometimes we're going to be bundling more than one place value. So the first thing I want to do is I want to make that 54. So we're going to draw 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then what we have to do is we have to draw and build 68. And remember, I always like to put a space in between so it's easier for us to see that there's two different numbers. So 68, 10, 20, 30, 40, come on, oops, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. Okay, now we have to ask our question is, are we able to bundle anything in the ones place? We always start with that ones place. And the answer is yes, because here's 8 and we need just 2 more to make it a 10. So I'm going to circle those. Okay, and I'm going to just show you by putting it over here now. Okay, and I'm going to show on the line what I did. I don't have 12 ones. I have a 10 and 2 ones. So I bundled it. So now we're going to show exactly what we did. I have 12 and I put the 1 on the line. All right, so now I have to add up my 10s. Can I make another 10? Well, let's see. I have 5 up here and 7 here. Yeah, I can. So I'm going to circle these guys over here, and I'm going to make this into 100. Okay, so what do I have left? I don't have my 10s placed the way that it used to be. I now have 12 10s. So I'm going to put down 2, and I'm going to put the 1 on the line in the hundreds place. So if you look at this, it's 5 plus 6 plus 1 equals 12. And how many hundreds do I have? I have 1. Now I can look right here, and I can look to see what is not circled. 100. I have 2 10s and 2 1s left, which is 122. Okay, this next one you're going to do, and then you're going to pause the video and then come back to me. So 38 plus 65. I want you to solve it, and when you're done, come back so we can go over it together. Okay, hopefully you were able to solve this, and the first thing we have to do is build 38. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. Okay, so I built 38 and then I had to build 65. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. All right, what's the first question we ask? That's right, can we bundle any ones? Can we bundle any? Well, I have 8 up here and 5 here. How many more do I need to make a 10 if I have 8? I need 2. So I'm going to circle, and I'm going to bring my 10 right over here. All right, so let's show what we did on the line. So I have how many ones? I have 3 ones that are not circled, and then I have a group of 10, so I'm going to put that on the line. All right, so now I have 3 10s, 6 10s, and 1 10. How many is that? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, it's 10. All right, so I'm going to circle them. Okay, and I'm going to put it here. All right, so 6 plus 3 plus 1 is 10. So I don't have any 10s left. I'm going to put a 0. And I have to put that 1 on the line because I have 100. And my answer is 103. All right, let's do another one. 19 plus 92. Pause the video after you're done solving it. Come back to me and let's see if you did it right. All right, here we go. So we have 19, and that's the very first thing we have to build. So here is my 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. My next is 92, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 91, and 92. Okay, can I make a 10 over here? Well, here's 9. I know I need 1 more, so my answer is yes. I'm going to bundle them and bring it down to here, make my new 10. So what do I have here? I have 11. I'm going to put down the 1, and I'm going to put the 1 on the line. Now, how do I know I have 11? Well, I have a group of 10 that I bundled and 1 extra. So that's 11 after I count them all up. So here's my 11. This 1 on the line is just here to remind us that we have to add this. So now we have 1 plus 9 plus 1. What is that answer? Did you say 11? Good. So here's my other 10 that I bundled, and I'm going to put a new 100 here. All right, so 9 plus 1 is 11. I'm going to put the 1 here and then the other 1 for the 11 here. And I don't have any numbers in my 100 space, but that doesn't matter because I have the 1 that I brought over. So my answer is 100, 110, and 1, which is 111. All right, try to solve this one and then come back when you're ready. So they're making it a little bit more complicated now. We're going to build 126. So we need to build first 100, 20, and then 6 in the ones place. All right. So after we're done with that, we have to build 57. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 7. Okay. Now, what is the question that we always ask ourselves? Yep, can we bundle? So I have 6 here and 7 here. Do I have enough to bundle? I do. So here's 7, and I need 3 more to make 10. So I'm going to take the 3 from here, and I'm going to circle them. And I'm going to show you that I made a new bundle, and I'm going to show you here too. How many 1s do we have? 13. So here's my 1 for my line for my new bundle, and my 3. So now we have 2 10s, which matches this number, 5 10s, which matches this number, and 1 that we bundle, which matches this one. So now we have 5, or 2 plus 5 plus 1. Do we have enough to make another 10? Well, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't have enough. If I don't have enough, I just add them up. So 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. And I have nothing that I'm bringing over to the 100 side. I only have 100. So my answer is 183. All right, we're going to try one more. I want you to write this down, 115 plus 85. Bundle if you need to. Now remember, just like the last one we did, you don't always have to. So just be careful. Come back when you're ready. All right, what's the first thing we have to do? We have to build 115. So here's 100, here's 10, and 5, which makes this 115. All right, so then we have to build 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, gotta squeeze one in there, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens is 80, and then our 5 ones. Okay, so do I have enough ones to make a 10? 5 and 5, yeah, I do. So I'm going to circle them, and I'm going to show you that I'm bundling. Okay, so how many 10s do I have here? 1 10. So I'm going to write 1 on the line and 0 here because I have 10. Now I have to look at my 10s place. I have 9 and 1. 1 here. Check this out. 8, and then the 1 we added. Is that enough to make a new bundle? It is. It equals 10. So I'm going to circle them, and I'm going to slide it over here. Okay, how many do I have here? 10. So I put my 0, and I put my 1 here in my hundreds place to show that I bundled. And how many do I have left in the hundreds place? I have 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So our answer is 200. All right, if you have any questions, don't forget to think about them when we meet in group, and I will see you later.